we'll guide you through how to create a Trello schedule effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Trello website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new board by clicking on the Create New Board button usually found on your dashboard. Give your board a name that reflects the schedule you're planning, like Weekly Planner or Project Timeline, and choose a background color or image to make it visually appealing. Next, you'll need to set up your lists. Think of lists as columns that represent different stages of your schedule. A common setup could include lists like To Do, In Progress, and Completed. You can add more lists if you need to track specific timeframes such as Monday, Tuesday, and so on, depending on your needs. Now, it's time to add cards to your lists. Cards are where you detail the tasks or events you want to schedule. Click on Add a card under the appropriate list and enter a task name, like Prepare Presentation or Team Meeting. You can click on the card to add more details like descriptions, due dates, checklists, and even attach files if necessary. To keep your schedule organized, you can use labels to categorize your tasks by priority or type. For example, you might use a red label for urgent tasks and a green label for completed ones. Another great feature is the Calendar Power-Up, which you can enable by going to the Power-Ups menu at the top of your board. This allows you to view your tasks in a calendar format, making it easier to see your schedule at a glance. Drag and drop cards between lists as your tasks progress, and archive them once completed to keep your board tidy. With these steps, you'll have a functional and organized schedule on Trello. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.